Well, I'm off on a wander. I'm gonna go to a couple thrift stores and then walk back through a park I've never been to before. The train's not gonna be here for 10 minutes. Hope I got enough battery on this bitch. Anyway, haven't filmed in a while. Have I been motivated to? No. Mind your own business. Anyway, I'll be back. Now here's a more exciting and uplifting intro. Hey everyone, Grubgun here. I'm off for a nice little wander today to a place I've never been before. First I'm going to hit a couple of thrift stores, and then I'm going to go through a park, around a reservoir, and hopefully I can feed some birdies right on my hand. Hooray! Alright, join me. I'm at the station now. Here I am at Southhorn Station. That weird cloud. Bizarre. So I'm gonna go to some thrift stores over there, but then I'm walking back that way, and I'm heading to a weird reservoir. Join me, whatever, I don't know. Well, here's some thrilling footage. Me. I don't know if you can see, there's an overpass there. I think I'm gonna have to cross there. Don't know. I don't know because I've never been around this neighborhood before. I'm trying to do new shit in a town that I live in. I'm calling it a fucking town because it's a city in population alone. So, went to the thrift stores, didn't find very much. Found some shoelaces that aren't shoelaces, and a couple of fancy Denby coffee mugs for $1 a piece. They're usually like fucking 20 bucks a piece, so I can spot fucking Denby shit from a mile away. And of course, as usual, there were like fucking scrounges. I heard there were two guys there, old fellers. They looked rough, like shit in their pants rough, and they're on their phones and they're like, I know a guy who fucking deals in Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and he's got like these packs of Yu-Gi-Oh cards in his hand, just bags of Yu-Gi-Oh cards, like at fucking Value Village. And I'm like, you fucking scrounge, fucking, like, what a waste of a fucking life. Seriously, guy spending time fucking an hour fucking looking at these fucking Yu-Gi-Oh cards. He's gonna make fucking 50 cents. It's just not fucking worth it. I mean, I'd seriously, I'd rather fucking drop dead than waste my fucking life nickel and diamond fucking bullshit like that. It's not worth it, man. But whatever, fuck it, you know what I mean? If these guys, if this is what makes them happy, you know, fuck it. Meanwhile, they're taking up my oxygen. Over there, there's some kind of a mall. I don't know what it is. I say mall. Most malls here are strip malls. And behind that is the reservoir. So I do have to cross at that thing. Anyway, at least I got my reseller rant in. I have a bad feeling about this battery. It's gonna shit the bed. I don't want to have to use my phone. Anyway, off I go. Dude on a bike, another dude. Anyway, I thought the battery was dead, but it turns out I just needed to jiggle the camera around. Here we are. This is the Glenmore Reservoir, I guess. I've actually crossed the Glenmore Dam. You can see that in an earlier video, but I think I'm drinking out of this fucking thing. Oh man, no wonder my fucking kettle gets filled with like little white crystals. Apparently there's lots of calcium and lime in there, and shopping carts, and fucking all kinds of beer cans, But yeah, so when I conceived of this walk earlier, yesterday, I was like, oh, this'll you know, like an hour. I gotta walk all the way around this fucking lake, and then I'm still not even home. I'm basically back at where I started, and then I have to walk home, which is probably another hour and a half or more. So I got a lot of shit walking to do, but you know, I got nothing else to do. I got a coffee from, what was it called? Good Earth Coffee House. Well, it's all right. You know, I'm kind of a snob, but I will drink lower class coffee if necessary. Except for Starbucks, that stuff's gross. Okay, so maybe I'll get some more footage. Fun. No? Yes? Anyone? Yeah, so that building says Glenmore Reservoir Services. So this is the reservoir. It's also the sailing club where people go out there on canoes or whatever. I don't know where's the fucking plant that purifies this fucking water before I drink it? Or is she just coming right out of the old slough here? I don't know, man. Anyway, here I am. Look at this. There's a thing here. That's a pretty good shot. That'll make a photo. But yeah, so I'm just hanging out, really chilling out. I gotta take my fucking time with shit, you know what I mean? Like, I'm always in such a big rush. I gotta chill. What neighborhood is that? Don't know. I don't know where I am. I've never been here before. I mean, I could say I've never been right there or right there either, and say, you know. But yeah, it's weird, man. Just really chilling. Enjoying myself though. My birthday in, I don't know, 10 days or something like that. 17 days, something like that. And then I'm going back to Vancouver for a couple weeks. And then I'm planning some crazy road trip. Not that crazy, but planning it. It's good stuff. There's this. She's frozen right across too. Wonder if I could just cut across. Oh, never mind. Fuck that. There are actually a lot of people walking around here. I mean, comparatively to, you know, I've seen like maybe 25 people, and they've all said hello to me. Look at all these birch trees. It's really cool. You get a lot of birch here. I don't know. Is that interesting? But yeah, I got some bird seed. Maybe I can get a chickadee to sit on my hand. Here comes another fucking person. Fucking hell. Apparently I'm now entering Weaselhead Flats Natural Environment Park. Coyotes in the area. There's a raven up there making noises. So yeah, there's this. I got fucking miles of this to walk. Eventually it cuts through there, but I don't know, man. Some Blair Witch looking shit going on in here. I keep shutting off the camera when people are walking by because, you know, fuck it. But look at this. You know, I don't think I've ever walked down a path like this. She's, trippy. Yeah, when I get farther, I would imagine there's going to be less people, so I'll try and get a chickadee to sit on my hand. There's still people back there. But yeah, look at all these fucking birch trees. Pretty cool. I'm fucking digging it. I'll tell you something though, Jeremy's got a fucking... gonna have to rock a piss pretty soon. What's this path? Is this good? Should I go down here? I mean, should I not go down here? She looks, eventually there's going to be a path that cuts across that I'm supposed to take. Fucking hell, where does this take me? I don't really care. I'm sure I'll be home before nightfall. She's a sloppy mess, but my shoes are waterproof. Fucking hell. At least it's not slippery. I've walked along some fucking alleyways that are fucking slicker than cum on a gold tooth. Holy shit, dude. Slicker than fucking goose shit on a pump handle. But this is cool, right? I mean, worst case scenario, I run into hillbillies. Best case scenario, they accept me as one of their own. Is this really a path? Like, oh, fucking hell. Oh, I'm not gonna run into anyone else, I'll tell you that right now. Fuck me. Look at this. This is crazy. I'm gonna keep filming. Look at this. Oh, that's so cool. Oh man, come on now. Jeremy's gotta take a picture of that for his Instagram. Join me. Look at this. I'll tell you something for nothing. This seems like a brilliant place for me to rock that piss I talk about endlessly. Look at that. This is cool. This is some woods, man. I like it. I'm actually having fun. That was a genuine laugh. That wasn't, you know, one of my, you know, mean laughs, as Brandy calls them. Oh yeah, no, this is good stuff, guys. Amazing. 4-minute unedited footage. Look, the sun through the trees. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking. Rock that piss I keep talking about, and more in a bit. Okay. Okay. All kinds of birds around here. Fucking chickadoos, man. Amazing. Fucking birds. Okay, now I will amalgamate all of that bird footage into one amazing segment. I was there for like 15 minutes. You know, that's semi-retirement for you. I'm gonna go out to the woods and talk to the chickadoo and see what he's up to today. I don't know if this is the right direction. There was a sign back there that said this was a path of some description. I mean, if this is a path, I'm on it. I might stop a bit and feed some more birds. Fucking hell. Fucking slushy in here. Reservoir's down there. I mean, this is pretty cool. I mean, you know, I know these don't get a lot of views, and I'm always half the time I'm like, you guys are all pieces of shit, and then the other half I'm like, you know what? The important people are watching. Oh, I gotta cut across there, and then go back that way. Fuck me. I don't know. It's pretty cool though. I'm enjoying myself. There's a bird. I'm gonna feed him. Chickadee-dee-dee. Hold on, bud. Oops. See, look at that. Fucking my buddies, the burbs. He's hiding it over there now. And hopefully he comes back for another one. Come on now. There you go. Yeah, so this is my life now, guys. Maybe I can get a closer shot. Watch, it won't focus. Oh, there he is. What are you being so picky for? Jesus Christ. Yeah, I got a long way to go. Fuck me. I don't know. Good thing I'm not a busy man. He's up there. He's eating that one. He was hiding the other ones. There are a lot of woodpeckers in this woods too. I guess because there's a lot of dead wood. And I guess a lot of dead wood. A lot of grubs and shit hiding in the thing. And come on now. I got to go. Homie. Jesus Christ almighty. What am I made of? Seed? What are you doing up there? Anyway. Mental. Okay. Fuck it. Oh, I'm gonna have to do some editing on this fucking video, I'll tell you that. Weaselhead Park. I'm only here. Now, at some point, I get to cut across this here. I gotta take the old Jackrabbit Trail. Fuck me. Alright. Ooh. Look, I left some seed for the burbs. Well, off I go. Is this a trail? Fuck. Whatever. Looks good. I don't know who installed this, but she's fucked. Oh God. Like I said, good thing I have waterproof fucking shoes. This is a mucky mess in here. But I've never been here before, and neither of you then at that point, because I don't know. This doesn't go down, does it? Oh Jesus H Christ, is this the one? Holy fuck, dude, if I go down, I ain't coming back up. Alright, well, this is it for me, guys. I'm heading down. I may have to stay here overnight. Camp out. Holy shit, this is weird. I do know one thing. Nobody else has walked this way today, because I'm the only one leaving fucking footprints. Look at this. This is like something you'd see in a video game. Or in nature photography. God, I hope I don't have to fucking go up at any point. Look at these, all these birch trees. It's a trip. Now, one thing with a map, you don't know whether you're going up or down when you see a line crossing it. I don't like the idea of going down right now, but I guess I don't have much choice. Hope that doesn't mean fuck, that I've got to go up on the other end. Anyway, holy shit. Yeah, okay, well, I'll film some more later. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of editing in this. Jump cut after jump cut, I think. The fuck? Jesus, fuck! Really didn't picture all of this outdoorsy shit going on around this reservoir. I mean, look. I've seen a ton of deer tracks too. Of course, no actual human footprints, because what fucking human would be walking through here? Fuck! Yeah, so looks like my battery's gonna die soon, but I brought another one, which is probably dead. This is pretty cool though, guys. I'm having a good time. God damn. I have no idea where I'm going. I assume the other trail is down here. I see some signs. So, probably have to change the battery, but maybe more footage soon. Look at that. Huh. Amazing. Yeah, my battery did die. Well, I'm at the bridge. No horses allowed. Yeah, I don't know. Is this the Elbow River or the Bow River, or I don't know what it is. It doesn't say really. Pretty cool though. I'm gonna put the lanyard on because I'm scared to drop this cocksucker on the ice. There's another bridge over there. But yeah, I've walked all the way around that side. Now I gotta walk all the way back. Do I have to get up that hill? God only knows. Small people. Yeah, frozen creek. But yeah, do I have to get up there? I see people walking up there. Fuck me. Am I gonna have to fucking hump my old fucking ass up that fucking hill? This reminds me of Burnaby Lake, actually. Oh, oh, never mind. I was gonna do a flashback. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to hump my old fucking decrepit ass up that fucking hill and walk all the way along. Hot damn. Jeremy's getting too old for this kind of thing. But actually, that's a beautiful shot for a photo, which I will post on my Instagram. Fuck off. You know, my Instagram, the thing that nobody looks at. Get closer so I can get down. Oh, that's good. Come on now, I'm a fucking photographer, bitch. And edit that up, and it'll look like completely different. You'll never even be able to recognize it. Anyway, fuck off, you dirty old shitbags. I gotta go. Well, I wasn't wrong. I had to fucking, there's the bridge I crossed. I had to hump my ass up this fucking hill. Holy shit. But anyway, here's the view from the other side. I've walked all the way around there. Jesus. Now I gotta walk all the way back. There's probably a lot of wind noise right now. What time is it? 1:30? Oh yeah. I don't estimate I'll be home till 3:30. But I'm great. As I'm walking around, ever since it started to warm up and my mind is cast forward to, you know, leisurely stuff, I'm getting some good ideas of where I can take my hobo bike out for a few spins. I don't have a helmet, and I'm not fucking getting one. So I think this is a nice path for me to ride along on my hobo bike, which 100% is not stolen. Look at this. Look at these bluffs. I mean, fuck, dude. I wonder how many drunk people have fucking tumbled down there. But yeah, this is the whole reservoir. It's pretty good. I'm enjoying it. I wonder if there's a path down there I can walk along. Don't know. Pretty cool though.